Climate change and human carbon footprinting has a negative impact on the environment. One result is that many animals have become extinct or endangered. Many humans are ignorant of the damage they are doing to the environment. Environmental protection organizations have created awareness campaigns in the past. Previous methods included videos, animations, posters, and advertising. Steps Towards Change is an interactive, immersive experience. The device educates the user on climate change and how it affects animals and their environment. Our product is unique because it offers an educational value as well as an entertaining value. It engages the user in the experience with tangible interactive features that captures the audience's attention. Our product consists of a booth with built-in surround sound, tangible buttons and a monitor. The user is fully immersed in the experience when they step inside the booth. In front of the user is a monitor with tangible buttons below it. Each button consists of an indent of an animal's paw print. When the user presses one of these paw print buttons, a video will play which will inform the user about the animal and their environment. The final button will have an indent of a human footprint. This footprint will symbolize the carbon footprint, and when pressed will play a video informing the user of the effects humans are having on the environment and what can be done to prevent them. Our target audience is the general public with an emphasis on youth. Our product would be rented out to places of education, such as schools, as well as public spaces such as museums, zoos, and shopping centres. Our aim is to promote awareness about climate change and the damage humans are doing to the environment. It all starts by changing the way we live our lives. One small step can make a huge difference.